If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing League of Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open League of Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadows, and effects. Reducing these settings can help increase your frame rate and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate programs that are not needed while gaming. This will free up CPU and RAM for League of Legends. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Additionally, check for any network issues or high latency that could be affecting your performance. Step 5. Monitor temperature and hardware. Keep an eye on your computer's temperature and hardware performance. Overheating can lead to throttling, which affects frame rates. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans and components. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing League of Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience and may your matches be smooth and enjoyable.